In this lesson I will show you how to create a circle out of yarn using the crochet. So in order to start creating the circle, I will create a knot, the first loop. So I will cross the cords and make a knot here and the first loop here. And now let's start creating a chain out of loops. Like this. And now I will put the crochet through the first loop and I will create another loop. I'll put the loop through the first and through the second loop, and I have created the first circle of loops. And now I will start making the circle. First of all, I will create a loop like this, and then I will put the crochet through the circle that I have created. I will take out one cord like this, and I will create these two loops, and now I will take the cord and take it through the two loops that I have created, so that I have created this loop here. And again I will repeat this step. I put the crochet through the circle, I take the yarn and create this loop, and then I take again the yarn and put the yarn through these two loops, and I create another loop. So I put the crochet through the central part like this, through the circle. I take the yarn, I create these two loops, and again I take the yarn and put it through these two loops. I put the crochet through the circle, I take the yarn, I create these two loops, again I take the yarn and I take the yarn through the two loops and create another loop. And I will continue doing these steps. And now I will make the last loop. Like this. So I have made the 2 loops, and I will create the last loop that will go through these 2 loops, like this. And now I will pull on this cord like this. I will take the scissors and cut like this, and I have this cord, this yarn, and this other yarn here. So I will put those yarns under the loops here using the crochet, and I will take the crochet and so I will take this yarn from here and I'll put it under these other loops. Like this. Now I will take the scissors and cut the yarn, and I'll do the same with this other yarn so that it disappears under my loops. Like this. And now I will also cut this yarn, and I have created the circle made with the crochet.